Welcome, I'm Brian Hayes, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use partner roles in Salesforce. Now, partner roles is a standard feature that comes with Sales Cloud that a lot of people don't know about. It's a related list, and so if you look at an account record like I've got here, Herb Ertlinger's Winery, and you scroll down, you can see that we have this partners list already added to our layout. Now, you probably have access to partners, but you might not have that related list on the page layout. Once you add it, you can start to use the partners related list to show relationships between different accounts in your org. So the reason why this is useful is if you want to keep track of what companies are working with other companies in your database that aren't necessarily your customers. So in our case, we have a winery here, and then under the partners list, we have Alexis Rose Communications listed. And that's because I want to note that Alexis Rose Communications is the agency for the winery. And this can be really useful if I need to work with both parties to get a project done. And you can see right beneath our first entry for Alexis Rose Communications, we have another one where an actual opportunity is specified. So one thing about this partners related list is you can use it to show the relationship between two different accounts generally, or you can use it to show the relationship with regard to a specific opportunity. So most of the time, I think it's used more generally, but if you are working on opportunities that have multiple parties involved and you want to track accounts that might be able to influence that deal, relating partners to opportunities is also valuable. So to add a new partner, just click the new button on the partners related list, and you can search for accounts within your Salesforce org. So I'm going to search for Jake's Woodshop, which comes up here. And then you have a number of roles to choose from. And you can actually modify these roles, and I'll show you where to change that setting in a second. Now, for each one of these roles, there is the opposite role. So for agency, as an example, if I say Jake's Woodshop is the agency to Herb Ertlinger's Winery, the opposite would be a client. So the winery would show up on Jake's account as a client. And you can set both of those values. So in this case, let's say Jake's Woodshop is actually a distributor. So there we go, set distributor, hit save, and you can see Jake's Woodshop shows up here under partners, and there's no opportunity listed because we just added this partner on the account. We didn't add them from an opportunity. If I go into Jake's Woodshop account and scroll down, there's the winery right here, and on the right, here is the reverse role. So the winery is a vendor to Jake's Woodshop, and Jake Woodshop is a distributor to the winery. So let's say that we have an opportunity with Jake's Woodshop. We'll just take this one here for cleaning supplies. And we want to note a partner on that opportunity. We'll just scroll down and there's a partners related list here as well. You can click new and it's the same sort of interface. You can choose from different accounts. So let's say Alexis Rose Communications is a partner that we're working with. Perhaps she represents Jake's Woodshop as well. And we'll say that Alexis Rose is the agency in relation to this opportunity and in relation to our customer of Jake's Woodshop. And that will show up right here. So now if we go to Alexis Rose Communications, you can see all those partner relationships are listed here too. We can see the two from the winery, one that's just general and one that's related to an opportunity, and then the one from Jake's Woodshop that's related to an opportunity. So it's a really useful feature. Great if you're working in a complex environment where you have different accounts that you have to deal with, either just as part of your work with your customers or as part of an opportunity. Now, to update those roles, both the primary role and the reverse role, you actually need to switch into Salesforce Classic to get to those settings. That setting is not yet in Salesforce Lightning. Once you're in Classic, click on Setup, and then in the Setup area here, search for Partner, and Partner Roles is going to pop up right underneath Accounts. So from here, you can deactivate different values and you can create new ones. When you create a new one, you'll set the name of the role, and you'll also set the reverse role for that partner relationship. In summary, if you're working in an environment where you want to keep track of how different customers or different accounts in your database are related to each other, consider using the default partner role feature within Salesforce. Hope you found this video valuable. If you did, please hit like and click subscribe for more. Thanks.